My name is Sophia.
Sophia is reading a book about a child trying to find a little goat. Not unusual for a first grader to read, but Sophia is reading this book in Chinese. Horseshoe Trails Elementary School in the Cave Creek Unified School District has a Chinese Immersion Program. It's the only school with a program teaching Chinese language skills to students from kindergarten through the 3rd grade in the district. Debbie Burdick is the superintendent of Cave Creek Unified School District. Dr. Burdick sees the value of dual language programs.
As a young child, when you learn a second language, it rewires your brain differently. And these students are so much better at higher order thinking and problem solving than students who don't have language.
The students develop 2 languages and learn to perceive the world around them through 2 cultural lenses. This program allows them to develop these skills throughout the school day. Half of the day's classes are in Chinese, the other half in English.
It's incredible how quickly the students learn and acquire the language. Learning a language is a struggle. Learning your first language was a struggle, but our kids persevere through that struggle so that they can communicate with each other and with their teacher, and they can interact with the content, and they learn it incredibly quickly.
Quickly because the Chinese teachers interact with the students in the Chinese language. They provide storybooks in both Chinese and English for the students to learn and understand new words. The students also play vocabulary games and computer games with Chinese themes. The students are not only learning skills, they are improving their basic brain functions.
It's very good for the executive function part of your brain, which deals with attention. So if there's any issues with ADD, attention deficit disorder, or anything like that, this type of a program actually strengthens that part of the brain. That's the part that gets more exercise.
So exciting for me to be in the classroom and see the progress that they've made in their case in 2 years of school.
From Horseshoe Trails Elementary in the Cave Creek Unified School District, reporting for No 99, I'm Chuck Emmert.